And we are coming together to speak up against this injustice and against this indoctrination of our children. We are coming together to speak for all of us. We are coming together to denounce the cheap, deceptive politics, and we are coming together to raise our voice and continue raising our voice against unfair political tactics. And our marshals are working really hard to guide us, to support us, to protect our safety, especially the safety of our children. So my request for the parents and everybody in the audience to please follow our marshals. Please listen to their instructions carefully and follow their advice. We will be marching after the speeches, and we want to make sure the safety of everybody in attendance. Please make sure that you give way to media personnel to come forward here to capture our speeches and everything that we are doing today. We will be announcing our Canadian Families Alliance Action Plan, and we want our media personnel to capture that properly. Please make room for them. And please avoid any messes or leaving any garbage. We are parents. We're coming here to set a precedent of solidarity, integrity, and value. We want to make sure to leave just like that. No mess. We need to show our Canadian values here. We are here as Canadian parents, right? We are here together and we follow each other's lead to show our Canadian values. And please do avoid any confrontation with any of the groups if they show up and they're opposing our viewer position. Please avoid any confrontation. Please avoid any confrontation and responding to them. Let our marshals deal with them and stay in the grounds, on the grassy land, and follow the leads of our marshals. One more thing to remember, we have washrooms on site for families, especially with young children. Everybody is more than welcome to attend here. The washrooms are available here. You're more than welcome to use them. But again, remember the Canadian values. We care about each other. We share with cleanliness. So remember that. Once again, in the name of God, my name is Farina Siddiqui. I'm representing Coalition of Concerned Parents, and we are part of Canadian Families Alliance coming together. I'm pleased to announce our first speaker, Maggie Amin, who is from the Islamic Cultural Association of Ontario. Maggie Amin.